The regulators and gauges are an integral part of a transformer gas sealing system, so it's worth our while to look at an example of these devices. This is a typical arrangement of pressure regulators and gauges found with power transformer gas sealing systems. This gauge, closest to the gas cylinder, is a pressure gauge that indicates the pressure inside the cylinder. As gas is taken from the cylinder, the pressure drops. So if the gauge indicates a low pressure in the cylinder may need to be replaced. This gauge is a pressure vacuum gauge, commonly called a compound gauge. It indicates the pressure inside the transformer enclosure. If the pressure is too high, or if the gauge indicates a vacuum, corrective action may have to be taken. These devices are the regulators. The regulators control the flow of gas to and from the transformer enclosure. The regulators also reduce the high pressure from the cylinder to a safer, lower pressure in the transformer enclosure. Finally, this device is a pressure relief device. When the pressure inside the transformer enclosure exceeds a predetermined high value, some of the gas in the enclosure is released through the pressure relief device to atmosphere. The regulators and gauges that you find in your gas seal systems may look different from the example we looked at, but they will still perform the functions of regulating gas flow and indicating pressure. Gas seal systems are fairly common on power transformers, but the gas that they use is eventually lost to atmosphere, either by leaks or by venting when pressure in the enclosure exceeds desired values. This means the gas supply has to be renewed from time to time. To avoid this problem, some transformers use other sealing systems. The next system we're going to look at is a conservator-type sealing system. The main recognizable feature of conservator-type sealed power transformers is an external tank mounted above or near the transformer at a level that is higher than the top of the transformer. Let's look at an example. Here's an example of a power transformer with a tank mounted above it. When you see a tank like this connected to and mounted above a power transformer, it generally means that the transformer is a conservator-type sealed power transformer. In a transformer like this, the transformer enclosure is completely filled with oil, so that there is no room for air and moisture to enter. The conservator tank provides a place for the oil to expand when the oil becomes heated.